Welcome back to Tech Talk AI. Let's get started. AI tools to automate your life from breakfast to bedtime. Welcome to the future, where your breakfast can be served by a robot and your bedtime routine is just a voice command away. Today, we're diving into the world of AI tools that can automate your daily life, making everything from morning coffee to evening relaxation a breeze. Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee, all thanks to your smart coffee maker, or having your grocery list magically created by an app that knows your cravings better than you do. Integrating AI into your routine not only boosts productivity but also gives you more time to binge watch your favorite shows. So, let's explore how these nifty gadgets can turn your life into a well-oiled machine. Morning routine automation. Let's kickstart your day with some AI magic. Imagine waking up to the aroma of coffee brewed just the way you like it, thanks to a smart coffee maker with scheduling features. Pair that with an instant pot that can whip up a delicious breakfast while you're still snoozing your alarm. But wait, there's more. AI-driven apps can suggest personalized breakfast recipes tailored to your dietary preferences, ensuring you start your day on the right foot. And don't forget about your trusty voice assistant, ready to manage your morning reminders and tasks. With these tools, your mornings can be smoother, leaving you more time to enjoy that first sip of coffee. Workplace productivity boosters. Ready to supercharge your workday? Let's explore some AI tools that can elevate your productivity to new heights. First up, project management platforms like Trello and Asana are now equipped with AI features that help prioritize tasks, ensuring you tackle what truly matters first. Say goodbye to endless to-do lists. Next, consider AI writing assistants like Grammarly, which not only catch typos but also enhance your communication, making your emails and reports shine. And for those struggling with time management, there are apps that analyze your work habits and suggest improvements, helping you work smarter, not harder. With these tools, you'll be the productivity powerhouse you were meant to be. Smart home integration. Imagine a home that knows what you need before you even ask. With AI, automating home management tasks has never been easier. Take the Nest thermostat, for example. It learns your schedule and adjusts the temperature for optimal energy efficiency, saving you money while keeping you comfortable. Then there are security systems powered by AI that monitor your home 24/7, sending alerts straight to your phone if anything seems amiss. And let's not forget about AI-powered lighting systems that adjust based on the time of day, creating the perfect ambiance without you lifting a finger. With these smart devices, convenience is just a voice command away, making your home truly intelligent. Evening relaxation tools. After a long day, it's time to unwind, and AI has your back. Let's start with meditation apps like Headspace, which use AI to create personalized sessions tailored to your stress levels and preferences, helping you find your zen in no time. Need some soothing sounds? Smart speakers can effortlessly play relaxing music or your favorite audiobooks, setting the perfect mood for relaxation. And if dinner prep feels like a chore, AI-driven meal planning apps can simplify the process by suggesting easy recipes based on what you have at home. With these tools, your evenings can transform from hectic to harmonious, allowing you to truly recharge for the next day. Bedtime automation. As the day winds down, AI can help you prepare for a restful night's sleep. Sleep tracking devices are a game changer, analyzing your sleep patterns to provide insights on how to improve your rest. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed because you've been gently nudged awake by a smart alarm that knows your optimal wake-up time. But that's not all. There are apps that offer soothing bedtime stories or calming sounds, creating the perfect atmosphere for relaxation. Whether it's the gentle rustle of leaves or a cozy narrative, these tools can help you drift off peacefully. With AI by your side, bedtime can become a serene ritual you look forward to every night. Conclusion. Today, we explored how AI tools can transform your daily life, from streamlining your morning routine to enhancing your evening relaxation. By integrating smart devices and apps, you can boost efficiency, improve productivity, and create a more enjoyable lifestyle. Embracing technology not only simplifies tasks but also gives you more time to focus on what truly matters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights, like it to show your support, and share it with friends who could benefit from these AI innovations. Together, let's make everyday life a little easier and a lot more fun. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.